This is a box from Rebel Gears. Inside of this box, there should be lots of gears. Big gears, small gears.
Not gears, sprocket.
Shout out to Rebel Gears. Hit up Rebel Gears for all your sprocket and chain needs.
Custom sprocket and chain needs.
Discount code ZoominAlways for 10% off. We're gonna open this box. There should be a very big sprocket and some small ones. This box was $650. I paid $650 for the box. The sprockets were free. The box was $650. Are you ready? Rebel Gears makes big sprockets, small sprockets, custom sprockets. You just hit them up, talk to them on the phone, tell them what bike you got and what you want, and they make it. I found them on the internet. I searched up custom sprockets, and then I called them. Easy as that. Told them what bikes I got, told them what I want. I'm like, I want to go as fast as possible on a KX100. I want to have the biggest sprocket possible on a TTR. And they're like, type it up. Boom. There's a sprocket. Why are you giggling?
Cause, what you doing this for?
I'm dead serious. This box is like $650.
Yeah, it was.
There better be some good stuff in here. This is $650. The reason why it was so expensive is because I got a big sprocket, and the big sprockets are kind of expensive. You ready? Oh my god.
Bruh, that's not even that big. Bro. Bro.
Dude, that is sick. The price difference going from this, just to add like another 5 teeth or something, was like another $100 and something bucks. This is huge. Bro, this looks cool. Dude, 108 tooth sprocket. Look at that, I got a bunch of stickers.
Rebel Gears. Shout out to Rebel Gears.
Shout out to Rebel Gears. This is not a sponsored video.
We're out here shouting them out, yo.
I know it's not sponsored.
It's not even sponsored.
But I did not.
They were very nice on the phone.
Yes.
Very good customer service.
I paid for this stuff, but if you guys use my discount code, you can get stuff at a discount. So, another sprocket. That's pretty small. Another sprocket.
It's a little bigger.
Oh, that's pretty small.
That's small, yeah.
That might be for the XR. This is for the XR, bro. We're gonna hit 100 miles per hour on the XR. Some front sprockets. So we got this very big one. This is for the TTR. We got this one. I'm gonna take a guess and say this is for the KX100. We might actually be able to hit 100 on the KX, or close. Another small one. I don't even know. Probably the Honda. And another one. I don't know what this is for. I think this might be for the TTR. Chain. Look at this. Gold chain. Look at all this loot, bro. Front sprocket. These are nice stickers.
Yo, hold on. There's.
All right, look at this. This is delicious. Like, it says Rebel Gears on there. Do you see that?
There you go.
Rebel Gears. We've got a bunch of different combinations of gears here. We got top speed for this.
We got torque, torque.
Maximum torque, the shortest gears possible. And then we got max speed for the XR100, max speed for the KX100.
And that's
these chains.
Yeah.
Just your typical chain. It's more like copper.
Icy.
Full of copper. Have a whole drawer that's filled with stickers. Look at this. 108 tooth sprocket. This is...
Bro, it's literally the size of the back rim.
Almost.
Look.
Almost.
No, it is, bro. It literally is.
Oh, it's bigger than the rim, but the tire.
Just the rim.
This was the most expensive part right here. This was a few $100, just one. So we were just thinking, I'm gonna order 2 more of these, and we're gonna put them out as wheels. We're gonna use these as wheels on a quad. Like, look at that. These will eat up. These are pretty sharp. These will eat up the ground. So I'm gonna spend like another $400 or $500, get 2 more of these. Oh, you hear that? You hear that?
It's a gong. Whatever you call it.
Listen to that. Alright, so get 2 more of these, put these on a quad as wheels. These are some nice wheels. I like this color. Either this or gold. This, or we're painting it gold when we use it as a sprocket.
Bing bow.
But look at this. That's huge. Oh, and look, hold up. You just got so much stuff. I don't even know where to go. Oh, so I was talking to the guy on the phone. He's like, when you do the big sprocket, you can just add multiple chains together.
Yeah, you just put the master link. Yeah.
I didn't even think about that. So shout out to him for saying that. 'Cause I didn't think about it.
I would have thought about it. You happy?
Yeah. Happy with my $600 purchase. It was actually $600, not $650. $606.
Sheesh.
Coming soon, we'll put this on the TTR, and then we'll do top speed on the TTR, top speed on the XR again, top speed on the KX100, trying to hit 100 miles per hour.
Well, faster top speed on the XR, so not really again.
I guess, yeah. I want to try this so bad. I'm so excited for this.
Rebel Gears.
This is a 54. That's a 108. That's double.
Dang.
That is double the size.
Dang.
So we're getting half the top speed.
Dang.
And we got a smaller front sprocket, so that makes it a front sprocket like a 1 or 2 tooth smaller in the front. So that adds like another 5 or 6 teeth or something on the back.
Oh, really?
That's it for today. Just an unboxing of these very cool sprockets. Shout out to Rebel Gears. Use the code ZoominAlways if you want to save some money. Thank you all for watching. Very nice.
Very nice.